What would you think if I said that there's a super simple way to improve your digestion, and it only takes 60 seconds? If you're curious to find out what this trick is and how it might have a major impact on your health, stick with me. Have you ever received a piece of bad news that felt like being punched in the gut? Or have you ever had a bad feeling in the pit of your stomach that made you second guess yourself? If so, you understand, at least on a certain level, the connection between your gut and your brain. Research is discovering more and more about that connection between your gut and your brain. For example, simply thinking about eating can trigger your stomach to release the acid it needs to digest food. Likewise, your gut can send signals to your brain, letting it know if there's a problem. The link between gastrointestinal disorders and mental disorders has been known for a long time. If you're experiencing stress, depression, or anxiety, it may be the cause of your intestinal distress. However, it can also be the product of it. Monitor your mental state and watch for intestinal problems as well. If you're experiencing heartburn, loose stools, or abdominal cramps, it may be the result of your mood. Why is this? Well, one major reason is that there's a very important nerve that runs from your brain to your digestive tract. It's called the vagus nerve, and it helps control the production of stomach acid and other digestive secretions. For more on the vagus nerve, see my video on how this nerve affects your stomach acid. The link is in the description below. So, how can we use the vagus nerve to improve digestion? Simple, by breathing. Here's the trick. Before a meal, take a 4-second deep breath in through your nose, hold it for 6 seconds, then breathe out through your mouth for 4 seconds. Repeat this 4 to 5 times, or even longer if you like. The deep breathing calms your body and engages the vagus nerve, which helps your digestion. Doing this before each meal can improve symptoms of heartburn and acid reflux, belching, and indigestion. You'll digest your food better too. Remember, your body, including your digestive system, has the capability to heal itself. Sometimes it just needs a reminder too. Thanks for listening. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. I'm Dr. Pat Nardini, ND, keeping your wellness first.